Model, 64 Ford Transit Connect 220 Trend 1.6 TDCI Crew Cab starts runs drives needs head gasket NoVat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 147364. MOT, the 12th of August 2025. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 95 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing, still starts and drives fine, so straightforward head gasket replacement job, NoVat to pay. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, part service history, air con.